Hello friend, today we're diving into the world of exotic car hacks, but before we get started I want to be upfront. This review is based on research, industry insights and discussions from real users to give you the best possible breakdown of what this program offers. My goal is to help you determine whether this course is a good investment for you. Before we dive deep into exotic car hacks, I want to mention a financial opportunity that has helped many of my audience members achieve stability and success within a year. If you're looking for ways to generate income online, check out my recommended Make Money program in the comments section below. Many have seen real results and it could be a game changer for you too. Exotic Car Hacks is an online course created by Pejman Gadimi, an entrepreneur and luxury car enthusiast. The course is designed to teach people how to buy exotic cars at a great price, drive them and resell them without suffering major financial losses or even making a profit. The strategy revolves around understanding market trends, depreciation curves, and negotiation tactics to secure the best deals. The course is priced at around $1,000, though there are sometimes discounts available. Given the high value of exotic cars, this investment could pay off if the strategies are executed properly. However, it's important to consider whether you're financially prepared for the costs associated with these high-end vehicles. What you should know about exotic car hacks. 1. Course content. Comprehensive training on exotic car buying and selling. The program covers everything from understanding how exotic car pricing works to negotiating deals, maintaining the vehicle, and reselling it strategically. It walks you through the entire process, making it useful for beginners who have no prior knowledge of exotic car investments. If you've ever wondered how some people seem to buy luxury cars and sell them later without taking a big financial hit, this course explains the methods behind it. Now, 2. Market dynamics, understanding depreciation and value retention. One of the most critical concepts in the course is learning how to purchase exotic cars at the right time in their depreciation cycle. Unlike standard vehicles, some high-end cars lose most of their value in the first few years, but then stabilize, making it possible to buy and sell them without major losses. The course teaches how to recognize which models, years, and brands hold value better, and how to avoid vehicles that are likely to continue depreciating. 3. Resale strategies, how to sell without losing money. The ultimate goal of Exotic Car Hacks is to teach you how to sell your exotic car at little to no financial loss or even at a profit. The course provides insights into where and how to list your vehicle, the right timing for selling, and how to market the car effectively to attract the right buyers. It also discusses strategies for leveraging dealer trade-ins and private sales to maximize your resale value. 4. Community access, networking with like-minded car enthusiasts. One of the benefits of enrolling in Exotic Car Hacks is access to an exclusive community of other members who are also learning the strategies. This community provides valuable networking opportunities, real-world success stories, and advice from others who have implemented the program's methods. Being part of a group that shares insider tips and strategies can be a big advantage. 5. Financial considerations. The true cost of owning exotic cars. While Exotic Car Hacks teaches how to minimize costs, owning an exotic car is still an expensive commitment. Insurance, maintenance, repairs, and taxes can add up quickly. The course provides advice on how to finance your vehicle strategically and reduce ownership costs, but it's crucial to be financially prepared before diving in. 6. Risk factors, potential challenges, and market fluctuations. No investment is risk-free, and the exotic car market is no exception. Factors like economic downturns, new car releases, and sudden shifts in buyer preferences can impact resale values. The course does a good job of helping you mitigate these risks, but it's important to go in with realistic expectations and an understanding that results can vary. Instructor background. Who is Pejman Gadimi? Pejman Gadimi is an entrepreneur with a background in finance, real estate, and luxury car investments. He has built a reputation in the exotic car space. using these strategies himself and now teaching them to others. While he has seen success, it's always wise to research his background and reviews from real students to get a well-rounded perspective before investing in the course. 8. Refund policy. Can you get your money back? Before purchasing, it's important to carefully review the refund policy. Some online programs have strict refund conditions, and you want to make sure you understand what you're committing to before enrolling. Pros and cons of exotic car hacks. Pros: in-depth knowledge of exotic car market. The course breaks down luxury car buying and selling in a way that's easy to understand, even for beginners. Potential to own exotic cars without losing money. If strategies are implemented correctly, you could own and drive exotic cars while minimizing financial losses. Access to a supportive community. Learning from others in the group can provide valuable insights and encouragement. Teaches negotiation and market analysis skills. These skills are not just useful for exotic cars, but can also be applied to other financial investments. Led by an experienced instructor, Pejman Gadimi has experience in the field and has personally used these strategies. Cons: high initial investment required. Even if you follow the course strategies, you still need a significant amount of capital to purchase an exotic car. Market volatility can impact success. Exotic car values are not always predictable, and market changes can affect resale prices. Maintenance and repairs can be expensive. Unexpected mechanical issues can eat into profits, making it important to choose the right car with a solid maintenance record. Financial risk involved. There's no guaranteed profit. While the course reduces risk, losses are still possible. Time-intensive research and execution. This is not a quick win strategy. You need to invest time into research, buying, maintaining, and selling the vehicle properly. Have final thoughts. Is Exotic Car Hacks worth it? Exotic Car Hacks offers a unique way to own and enjoy luxury cars while minimizing financial losses. If you are passionate about exotic cars and willing to put in the work to research, negotiate, and resell strategically, this course could be valuable. However, it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a guaranteed investment or a quick way to make money, this may not be the right fit. The strategies work best for those who already have some financial stability and can afford the potential risks. Alternative opportunity: want to build wealth more easily? If you're looking for a more straightforward way to create financial stability, check out my recommended Make Money program in the comments. Many of my audience members have found success within a year of dedicated effort, and this could be a great starting point for you. At the end of the day, whether you drive a Lamborghini or not, financial freedom is the ultimate goal. Choose the path that fits your lifestyle and goals best.